Welcome back my channel. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 has earned its place as one of the most popular entry-level sport bikes in the world, offering an ideal balance between beginner friendliness and thrilling performance. With its sleek design, powerful yet manageable engine, and comfortable ergonomics, this motorcycle has become a favorite for riders who want to experience the excitement of sport riding without jumping straight into the high-displacement superbike category. The Ninja 400 is not only about looks and speed, it's about delivering a well-rounded package that appeals to both new riders and experienced enthusiasts seeking a versatile and enjoyable machine. When you first set eyes on the Kawasaki Ninja 400, its aggressive styling immediately stands out. The design is inspired by its bigger siblings, the Ninja ZX6R and ZX10R, giving it a sharp and sporty aesthetic that looks right at home among larger superbikes. The fairings are aerodynamic, the dual headlamps give it a fierce appearance, and the overall bodywork screams speed even when the bike is standing still. Available in multiple color options, it carries the same racing DNA that Kawasaki has cultivated over decades. For many riders, the Ninja 400 offers the satisfaction of owning a bike that looks premium without breaking the bank. Under the hood, the Ninja 400 is powered by a 399cc parallel twin engine that produces around 47 horsepower and 38 Nm of torque. These figures may not sound massive when compared to liter-class machines, but in reality, they provide more than enough punch for city commuting, spirited weekend rides, and even highway cruising. The engine is liquid-cooled and fuel-injected, ensuring smooth power delivery across the rev range. What makes the Ninja 400 stand out in its class is how refined the power feels. It's strong enough to keep seasoned riders engaged while still being forgiving enough for beginners to build their skills without fear of being overwhelmed. The 6-speed gearbox is crisp and easy to use, complemented by Kawasaki's assist and slipper clutch, which reduces hand fatigue in traffic and prevents wheel lock-up during aggressive downshifting. Handling is another strong point for the Ninja 400. Built on a lightweight trellis frame, the bike feels incredibly nimble and responsive whether you're carving through twisty back roads or navigating busy city streets. The suspension setup, featuring a 41mm telescopic fork in the front and a preload adjustable rear monoshock, provides a great balance between comfort and sporty stiffness. While it's not a track-focused suspension system, it delivers stability and confidence for most riding situations. Braking is handled by a 310mm disc up front and a 220mm disc at the rear, with dual piston calipers and the option of ABS for added safety. The braking performance is reliable and progressive, giving riders the confidence to push the bike when needed. Comfort is another reason the Ninja 400 appeals to such a wide range of riders. Unlike many supersport bikes that force riders into an aggressive crouched position, the Ninja 400 offers a slightly more upright riding stance, reducing strain on the wrists, back, and shoulders. The seat height is approachable at 785mm, making it accessible to a wide variety of riders, including those who are not very tall. The ergonomics strike a sweet spot between sporty and comfortable, which means you can ride for longer distances without feeling fatigued. For commuting and everyday use, the bike is practical while still retaining its sporty edge. Fuel efficiency is another highlight, with the Ninja 400 delivering around 25 to 28 km/h, depending on riding style and conditions. With a 14-liter fuel tank, it offers a respectable range that suits both daily commuting and weekend trips. Maintenance costs are reasonable as well, which makes it a practical choice for those who want a sport bike without the heavy financial burden of owning a high-capacity machine. For those interested in customizing their bikes, the aftermarket support for the Ninja 400 is strong. From performance exhausts and upgraded suspension components to cosmetic changes like decals and frame sliders, owners have a wide range of options to personalize their rides. Many riders also use the Ninja 400 as a stepping stone into track riding, as it performs surprisingly well on circuits while remaining affordable and easy to maintain. In terms of competition, the Ninja 400 often goes head-to-head with bikes like the Yamaha R3, KTM RC390, and Honda CBR 500R. While the KTM offers a more aggressive and race-oriented character, and the Yamaha is known for its refinement, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 manages to strike a balance between them, providing both thrilling performance and everyday usability. This balance is what makes it stand out in the segment. Ultimately, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 is more than just an entry-level sport bike. It's a motorcycle that delivers excitement, practicality, and style in one package. It appeals to beginners who want a bike that is approachable and confidence-inspiring, while also satisfying experienced riders who crave performance without going overboard. With its combination of sharp looks, reliable performance, and rider-friendly design, the Ninja 400 has become a benchmark in its class and a bike that many riders proudly call their own.